Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram's IGTV for longer videos. It used to be that if you wanted to upload a video onto IGTV, you needed to create an IGTV channel. However, Instagram has since done away with that feature. All you need to create an IGTV account now is an Instagram account. Your account allows you to upload videos onto IGTV via the Instagram app or the IGTV app. So first you need to go to your Instagram app, tap the plus button at the bottom of your newsfeed. Now, choose a video 60 seconds or longer and tap next. And then select share as long video. This allows you to post a full-length video on IGTV, while a shorter snippet of the video is shared to your Instagram feed. Then tap continue. Next, choose your video's cover image from one of its frames. Alternatively, you may choose an image from your gallery. And then tap next. Next, fill out the title and description for your IGTV video. You also now have the option to post a preview of your video on your newsfeed and make visible on Facebook if you want to cross-promote it. You also are able to add the video to an IGTV series from here. If you don't already have an IGTV series, don't worry. We're going to show you how down below. Once you're done filling out your title and description, tap post in the top right. And that's all. You just posted an IGTV video from your Instagram app. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.